Welcome to Rishvi Limited. Jewellery Management Full Guidelines. Hello everyone, welcome to this video of Jewelry Website Sale Advanced Module. This module is made for jewelry shops. It helps you to manage your gold, silver, diamonds, everything. So from setting it up to selling it on your website, I will show you step by step. Before we touch anything, let me quickly tell you what this module needs to work when you install it. It also needs these Odoo apps already installed like invoicing, website, e-commerce, and inventory. Once this module is installed, you will get to see the new menus in the e-commerce section. Here you can see Metal Master, Stone Master, Impurity Units. So before you creating any product, you have to set up some basic things first. Here you need to set up the purity units. You have to enter the value and the units, and under here you can see the Metal Master. So here you need to add what metals your shop wants to sell, like gold, silver, platinum, whatever you deal with. And you have to keep the purity and today's rate here in the rate section. So when you enter the details, and you need to save when you enter the new detail, you have to click on Save. So when you pick a metal on the product, the rate automatically comes from here itself. Next, we have the Stone Master. So here, you need to add the gemstone, which you want to use it in your jewelry, like diamond, beryl, ruby, etc. When you add a stone to a product later, you can choose whatever the stone you want to use. The data will pass there from here. So we have configured everything. So let's create a product. Let me give the name. As fill the basic details here, sales price. And here in the Jewelry Master tab, this is where all the jewelry specific fields are, like the metal description section. Left side, you can see the metal name, today's rate, metal color, finish, everything. So let me add these details. So automatically took the rate and total pieces too. Just enter the details. And in this stone description here for this bangle, there are no stones we are using, so we can leave this empty, or if you want to choose, then you can just add from here. And here you have the additional promotional sections where you have 6 text fields here. These are the extra lines of description that show on the product page on your website. For example, handcrafted designs available in all sizes, etc. So whatever you type here, it will show as bullet points on the website product page. Then it will cost the total cost of jewelry, and you can just save the product. can also, if you want to update the cost price, you can just click on this button. And if you want to reset the discount price and all, you can just do it from here itself. And we can just go to this website directly from here to shop this product. And you can just click on. You can see the details of this product, and after this, you can just click on the checkout, and you need to just pay after choosing the payment method. Now you can see this order here in the sale order section, which we have created with the gold bangles. You can just confirm this order and click the delivery button at the top of the order. This opens the picking or delivery order. It shows what needs to be packed and sent out. Once the jewelry is packed and dispatched, click on the Validate button here. Then stock will automatically goes down. No manual update needed, and you can just create the invoice for this order by clicking on this button. When you confirm it, it will create the invoice with all the amount details and the product details. This is all about this video. Thank you for watching.